we are responsible for the official Bundesliga app, and it's an application that every fan can use to get informed about matches, players, and everything around what's happening in the Bundesliga. And one of the most demanded features in our fan service was the request for a notification preference center. So Amazon Pinpoint helped us to implement this, to give our fans most control about the notifications they want to receive. We see that Pinpoint and the approach from coming from a raw messaging approach to an engagement and marketing approach gives us a lot of flexibility. What we then have is the opportunities to build segments once we identify interest in certain things. So for example, we collect fan behavior data, and we also see that all these efforts in personalization and the notification preference center not only helps our fans, but also helps us to reduce cost. I think we make a transition right now from thinking more about engagements and thinking more about not using Amazon Pinpoint just for sending on messages, but maybe for building journeys, engagement journeys, to drive sign-up conversions with this, to really help to support our company objectives in becoming the most digital league in the world.